All right, what's up, guys? Welcome to another video. In this video, I want to show you how you can earn income from just using one of the many features that Myecon has to offer, which is the Cashback Mall. Okay, there are two options to get started with Myecon. The $37 pack, I'm sorry, the $34 package doesn't include the Cashback Mall, but the $47 sign up fee does include the Cashback Mall. And the Cashback Mall is going to be an additional way for you to rank up faster. You can save money and you can make money with this additional feature. So really quick, guys, the Cashback Mall, it has tons and tons and tons of stores that you can shop at. Pretty much, you can share your website with people, and we know how much people love to shop online. And it's very sad that people will shop online before they pay money to start a business online. Okay, so this is a consumer-based economy. People are always looking to spend money instead of making money. So that makes this a great way for you to capitalize off of selling what's on your website. So how it works is you get paid $10. I'm sorry, you get paid 10% each time someone goes to your website and make purchases. You can also earn income from uh, shopping from your own online store, and you'll get cash back, just like how the Dash app works. Just say like if you go to Walmart, you get it says up to 2% cash back. So you can also make money that way by getting paid from doing your own shopping, and then you can get paid from when other people go to your website and when they shop. Okay, get 10% of what other people buy. Also, we have free coupons. The free coupons equal up to over $319 worth of savings. They have different categories: apparel, baby, beverages, Dollar General, flowers and gifts, household, personal care. You can just it has peanut butter right here, so you can just save. Like click on that, you can clip the coupons, okay, print them out, and then you can save money when you go shopping. When you actually go into stores, you can save money that way. So that's pretty much how the cashback model works. You have referral links here. It says earn 10% cash back on all your referrals. So this is your link right here. And when someone goes to your website and do shopping, you get paid. And that's pretty much how it works. So real simple way to make additional money. Like I say, people love to shop. So, you want to capitalize off every way that you can make money by being a part of this company. It's only $35 a month. This company offers like dozens of other ways to get paid. We do retail. You don't have to really um, team build to make money with this opportunity. That's a good thing about it. You can earn money from just sharing your services without even recruiting people. That's a beautiful thing. So let me get this message. This is someone asking for information, and I will get back to you on the next video. Talk to you guys later.